Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to get free skins in Valorant. Currently, there are two ways to get free skins in Valorant. The first one is using Kingdom Credit and getting the agent specified gun skins. And the second way is grinding experience points to get the free Battle Pass skin. So one of the best ways to grinding Kingdom Credit is playing Spike Rush. By playing Spike Rush, a player can get 20 Kingdom Credit for each matches complete. Furthermore, completing daily rewards can earn you up to 150 Kingdom Credit for completing each daily checkpoint. That's a potential 600 Kingdom Credit for completing all 4 checkpoints per day. You can earn a lot of experience points as well by playing Spike Rush because it is a small game mode and you can play quite a lot of Spike Rush every day. So you get a lot of XP for playing these games. You can also complete daily quests in Spike Rush, so that's a bunch of extra experience points for you to grab. Another great way to grind Kingdom Credit is by playing Team Deathmatch. It also gives 20 Kingdom Credit per match played, like Spike Rush, and is also a very short game mode. So you can grind it every day for a longer period of time. So after grinding all the necessary kingdom credits, you have to do the following steps to redeem your free skin. First, let's go to agents. Then choose any agent. Then you can see in chapter 2, we'll find a free skin that you can unlock with the kingdom credit. Also in the battle pass section at chapter 10, you can see that after you've completed all the pages, you'll get a free skin. So that's how you get free skin in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.